cheese hot dog sandwich. It's really easy and you don't need much ingredients at all. So let's get right into it. What we're going to do first is we're going to open the hot dogs. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to cut it, but I'm not going to cut it all the way. Just leave a little bit of the hot dog left. Okay. I'm going to turn on my pan to a medium heat. While my pan is heating up, I'm going to butter my bread. We're only going to butter one side, and that's going to be the side that's touching the pan. So we'll do the front because that's the easiest. It doesn't really matter. So I'm already smelling my pan heating up, so I'm going to go ahead and get the first one going. So we're going to put my bread on my pan. I'm going to put my hot dog right next to it. And then I'm going to put the cheese on the bread. I love the noise of it sizzling. Okay, and then you want it to sit there for about 1 or 2 minutes. So I'm going to finish buttering my bread, and then we'll check on the hot dog. So I'm done buttering my bread. I'm going to go ahead and check the hot dog. So it still needs to be sitting a little longer. We're going to put a little bit more cheese. I'm going to let it cook another minute or so on this side. We'll do a dance party while we wait. So I'm going to check on this side because it's been on this way for a little bit. Check it. It looks really good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the hot dog wiener onto... Get up. We're going to put it onto the bread. And we're going to put some more cheese. We're going to put some more cheese and we're going to put it on the hot dog. And if you are saying in your head, why is she putting so much cheese? Well, our family loves cheese and butter. So now I'm going to flip this side closed onto the hot dog wiener and I'm going to squish it down. Okay, so I'm going to turn it to show you. So that's how it's really supposed to look. But now what we're doing is we're going to wait for the cheese to get all melty and delicious to be a real grilled cheese hot dog sandwich. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one onto the plate and get the other ones going. Kids, you should always know how to ask for help, because I still have to ask for help all the time. Yeah, this is how you know it's summer. Always munching and wailing. Let's plate up and get ready to eat, because I got some hungry people. Even me. Okay, got the first plate. So, well, I gave Mom a little burnt one, but she won't mind for sure. So I'm gonna give the ketchup to me and Bubby because Mom does not like ketchup, and she loves mustard, and everyone knows mustard is the worst. Everyone, just everyone. Bubby, come get your food. Okay, here's your plate. Be careful, be careful. So, I'm going to taste test it. So like it's really melty and cheesy. Next time, I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese because yes, cheese is the best. But yes, overall it's delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!